Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 dog coins by market cap. We're going to start with Shiba Inu because we already did Doge on Monday. We also did Floki, so we're going to continue with SHIB, BONK, with Mew, BABYDOGE, Dog, CHEEMS, NEIRO, ELON, and then we'll end with Schemas, Dog, and number 10. Let's get straight into it. Shiba Inu against USD. Fresh target out of the oven. We are under the skinny pink line. If anything, more downside is to be expected for Shiba Inu. More likely than not, we're probably going to get a bearish continuation chart pattern. And as you can see, it's already a higher high. Could we still rise up a little bit more first before heading lower? Yeah, I feel like the drop is not too far away. So as it stands, we're expecting it to breach 1,000. We're at 1,006. More downside is to be expected for Shiba Inu. If anything, Shiba Inu is a short. But on the bigger time frame, right? This whole thing could be a very, very big squeeze coming on. We might not stop at 965. We'll probably clear all these classes of sales first before potentially reversing back up. But as it stands, not good. More downsides to be expected for Shiba Inu. BONK against USD. We'll look at it on Gate. So for BONK, another fresh target out of the oven at 320. We're at 1,007, so this is still a long, long way to go towards the downside. 82%. So there's a lot of volatility, right? You can take a trade, you know. This is a very, 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 very profitable trade, in my opinion, for BONK. So BONK is really under the support line. The support line here, we broke it. We are also under the skinny pink line. So if anything, again, it could be a rally of sorts. And you can see that we are already, marking around here and there, not really that convincing. We may head towards the skinny pink line first before dropping lower. I would prefer, to be honest, some sort of a consolidation. And this whole thing is a big, giant left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We'll probably go past this though. Probably to 100. Not 300, but 100. We're at 1,007. Okay, this is not gonna be good. Oh my god. This could be 90% towards the downside. We'll take things one step at a time. But for now, I think BONK is going to drop really, really hard to 320. With dog with head. WIF against USDT is also not looking too good. If you look at WIF is just down. WIF's move has already started. It's just that it doesn't have a high quality bearish reversal chart pattern like what we just saw on BONK. But WIF, in my opinion, is gonna head towards this noisy area. There was a symmetrical triangle of sorts right before we broke out. So my guess is 40 cents. We're at 62 cents. So another 20 cents more towards the downside for WIF. Mew. If you look at Mew, we actually had a target over here, but Mew has broken back down under the support. Right, we broke out, but yeah, the momentum couldn't bring Mew towards our target at 3 cents. It just rose a little bit and then that's it. It dropped lower. Everything seems to be dropping. So that's it. That's it. Mew's upside target is totally gone. So if anything, yeah, more downside, but there's just no clear chart pattern for Mew, so nothing much that we can do about it. BABYDOGE. BABYDOGE is you're expecting big things as well for BABYDOGE, but we were saying that once we take out these lows, right, that's it. We'll consider this as invalidated and this as invalidated as well. Still doesn't take away the fact that BABYDOGE is in a huge accumulation, but this too is totally invalidated. And yeah, hopefully we remain above the lows of here. I mean, it'd be best if we remain above here, but we're gonna have to wait and see how it goes, right? Once you see this kind of move, you're like, you gotta wait for the next consolidation to happen, right? But the chart pattern is already gone in the sense that this is a higher high. It's no longer a squeeze. So I would just move on from BABYDOGE at this point of time. Dog against USDT. Here we are for Dog. Okay, Dog, in my opinion, is also potentially completing a head and shoulders over here. Potentially head and shoulders. Left shoulder. Head. Oh boy, right shoulder is coming on for Dog. So if anything, more downsides to be expected for Dog. We'll probably rally. My guess is we'll probably clear these classes of buys, best case. And after that, we come back down. right? You can pull up the Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, so this will tie in potentially to 0.618, and then only do we drop lower. So there could be something for dog. There could be something, but we'll have to wait and see how it goes. Right, we'll have to wait for the rally to come on. I suspect there will be a rally, but this rally will be the formation of the right shoulder for dog. CHEEMS. It's all looking pretty bad. CHEEMS against USD is okay. CHEEMS is a little bit different. Not much information for us to work with. If you want to count the wicks, it's a lower high, and it's a higher low, and it's actually a squeeze, to be honest. CHEEMS could drop a little bit lower though before hitting higher, but again, we're not entirely sure. Right, the wheels seem to be pushing CHEEMS price, to be within this range. Not too high, they'll pull it down. Not too low, they'll push it back up. Could be something here. We'll have to wait and see. NEIRO against USDT. Is this the NEIRO? 3848. 3485, 0.triple. 3485. Okay, I think this is the one. So NEIRO, yeah, no, it's down. Something like a head and shoulders here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, down. It's not good. It's just not good. Doge, ELON, Mars. Oh my god, it's all not looking good. Doge, ELON, Mars. We had a target over here. Towards the upside at 118. It's gone. Right. We were so hopeful. This could have been a very nice squeeze. Yeah, but no. It was a nice spike. We came back down. It was unsustainable. I mean, if the price consolidated here a little bit, sure, we could be heading higher. But I think, yeah, no, we're dropping lower. So as it stands, we're probably going to drop to this noisy area. If you take out these classes of cells, we're probably headed towards much lower prices. So yeah, it's just not looking that good for ELON. Schemas dog. Ski is fairly new, I would say. So there's nothing much for us to work with for Ski. Let's go to dogs. Dogs. Anything for dogs? Yeah, no. I think the dogs is tied to Toncoin, right? When Pavel Durov was arrested by the France authority, but once he was released, it just tanked. So yeah, that's dogs for you. It's all not looking good. If anything, more downsides to be expected. The high market cap coins, dog coins like Shiba Inu and BONK with it's not looking good. So yeah, more downsides to be expected for all of the dog coins. Most of the dog coins. So be careful about going long. If anything, it's short season for dogs. All right, I hope you guys have a great weekend ahead of you. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.